Hello and welcome to this edition of the news. I'm Rukma in our top story. Chief Justice of India, Justice Ranjan Gogoi, today hinted that the investigation into the Unnao rape case could be transferred outside Uttar Pradesh. However, no formal order has been issued in this regard as of now. Family of the Unnao rape survivor has demanded the transfer of the probe. The court has asked the Central Bureau of Investigation to inform it about progress in the case. It directed senior officials of the agency to appear before it at 12 noon and apprise it of the progress. The Supreme Court has said that if necessary, chamber hearing may take place in case CBI officials cannot submit full details of the investigation. And joining us now is our correspondent Vikas Sarthi with more inputs. Vikas, all eyes on the Supreme Court today as the Unnao rape case is presented, the CBI, the status report of the UP government, as well as the letter written by the family of the rape survivor and she herself. We hear that the case could be transferred outside Uttar Pradesh. Give us more details.
Rukma, the bench led by CJI hinted that all these cases related to the Unnao incident, the rape case, the accident, and other connected issues, maybe all of these are transferred outside Uttar Pradesh. These cases have already been transferred to the CBI, and today Supreme Court has sought a report from the responsible officer of the CBI, and this matter will be taken up by the CJI bench at 12, either in the open court or in the chamber as it suits to the CBI officers. Meanwhile, the Solicitor General pointed out that these investigating officers are not in Delhi. At present they are in Lucknow, and SG expressed inability that these officers may not be available for the hearing today itself, and that matter can be adjourned for tomorrow morning. But the bench insisted that CBI director may talk to these officers and get whatever details are available with investigating officers and apprise court about the development, what development has been taken so far. So we expect that at 12, either CBI Director's Counsel or some other responsible official will come before the CJI bench and will inform that what is the status as of now and what progress CBI has made so far. Though the case has been transferred to the CBI lately, so not much time has gone by since the CBI has started investigating this matter and officials are in Lucknow. But certainly the CJI bench will hear this matter today itself, and then we will be able to know that what is the status of the probe. Though CJI bench gave an option to the CBI that these matters can be heard in the open court, or if CBI prefers, all these proceedings can take place in the chambers of the CJI as well.
Right, Vikas, and when we talk about the request of the family to transfer the case outside Uttar Pradesh, now that the court has hinted, it does mean that it has accepted the argument put forward by the family about in their request to transfer the case. What could the reasons be that were put forward?
Well, Rukma, generally, before transferring the case to CBI, Supreme Court hears the arguments from the state government, CBI, and the petitioners and respondents as well. Whatever has been happened in last few days, Supreme Court feels that it is deemed to fit that these cases must be transferred outside Uttar Pradesh, because these apprehensions were expressed by the victim's family earlier as well, that they might be attacked. They are under huge pressure from the concerned MLA who was named in the complaint by the victim. So, going through all these facts, the Supreme Court feels that the better way will be to transfer these cases outside Uttar Pradesh. And it seems that state government will also not oppose this move, because the state government has already given order of CBI investigation, and after that CBI has taken over the probe. So it is very unlikely that state will oppose any move of transferring cases outside Uttar Pradesh, but there is no formal order as of now. Supreme Court, after hearing the CBI officials, will give a formal order with respect to transferring all the cases from the Uttar Pradesh.
Right, Vikas. Well, you keep your eyes on that story. So all eyes at 12 noon when the court will be listening to the case again. We are talking here about the Unnao rape case in which which the CBI is investigating as of now, and which the Chief Justice of India is hearing in the Supreme Court. And well, the bill to